Hey guys, the gorgeous hair I'm wearing today is from Luvme Hair, and I'm going to be showing you guys their short, curly, trendy wig with a C part. So this hair is completely human hair, and this hair is a get up and go wig because it's glueless and you don't have to do too much work. So I'm just showing you what's in the packaging, and I'm going to show you guys how easy and beginner friendly this wig is because you can easily just throw this wig on. So this is the wig, okay. The lace is super transparent. It's a very good lace and you're going to see it when I start to cut it, but this is what the curls look like. And this is the inside of the wig. It has already the C part done for you, so this is how it comes, and it has the elastic band and it's a 4x4 closure. So yeah, I'm just going to prep the hair before I throw it on, and so just keep on watching. So the curls are super pretty, very soft as you can see, and because of the packaging is kind of like cramped together, so we're just going to add some water and some leave-in conditioner and just like fluff it out, and just I'm gonna brush out the ends just so I could see the full length of this wig. So I'm adding some leave-in conditioner right now. All the products that I'm using in this video will be in the description box. So after the leave-in conditioner, I'm just gonna brush out the ends and mostly like finger comb the curls, and then yeah, so I will also add some mousse, but we're gonna cut the lace first. So I'm just teasing out the ends or brushing out the ends, and now we're just going to cut off the lace, and yeah, so keep on watching. Next, we're going to diffuse the curl to give it more volume, and I'm adding some of my Cantu curling mousse. So just add a generous amount, and I'm going to use my diffuser just to give the hair more volume and more bounce instead of the hair just laying flat like this. Now you can see how bouncy, soft, full, voluminous, and structured the curl and the style and the shape of the wig is showing even more now. So yeah, the diffuser really does help to give it more volume and more bounce. And now we're just going to throw it on. Super easy, so keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to just throw this wig on and go. So this is my natural hair. I didn't braid it. I just like slicked it down with gel, going back and just like clipped it. Use some bobby pins to clip it down. So yeah, you don't even need to braid your hair with this. I'm just going to put on this stocking cap that came with the packaging, and we're just going to throw the wig on. So I'm going to apply my tint spray over the stocking cap just to make it brown, and I'm also going to apply some of the spray to the lace of the wig as well.
So it's more like a side part, so you just have to, in order to know where the part is going to be, you just have to use the nape at the neck to measure it, like right here. So this is how, you guys can see, this is how I know that it's in the middle of my head, and this is how I know where the part is. And it has combs, so you just slide the comb in to make sure it's in the middle of your neck like this. And this is a glueless wig, so you can also move it around. I'll show you guys how you can do that. If you want to make the part a little bit higher, you can move it around too, but it's basically designed to be right here on this side. And it has combs on the sides too, like this. It has combs right here too. Make sure you have it down nice and secure. And this is the lace, what it looks like. Super natural looking lace. You can just shape it up the way you want it to look.
So I'm adding some of the mousse to melt the lace even more, but when I did this I was like, you know what, it's actually not really necessary because the lace is already good. And then I tied it down, so you don't really have to do this part if you don't want to, because the lace is already good quality. But this is what the lace looked like after putting the mousse. As you can see, matches very well with my skin and just blends and just melts perfectly. So yeah, I absolutely love this curl. I think it's very beautiful. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like outside. So right now I'm showing you that you can move the wig a little bit like off middle part. If you don't want it too much to the side, you have that option as well. So yeah, this is off middle part, and yeah, you can wear it like this as well if you want your face to show and you don't want the hair to cover your face.
So yeah, if you want it a little bit more to the middle, you can also move it like I just did and have it like right here, and just tuck the back, because obviously some parts of the back will be a little bit longer just because you moved it to the middle. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh my god, I love that this hair is a get up and go wig, and if you don't know how to glue down your lace, or you don't know how to like do all those work, you don't have to pluck, you don't have to bleach, you don't have to do too much work for this wig. It's really just a wear and go wig, and so it's very beginner friendly. So make sure you check out Luvme Hair. I'm going to leave the link to this hair in the description and all the details if you want to get this hair. Try it out. I usually don't wear short hair, especially for curly hair, so this is very new for me, especially this kind of like style. So I'm definitely feeling this hair. Like this is gonna be my convenience wig. This is gonna be my just throw on and go wig. But yeah, I love it. So check out Luvme Hair, and thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.